Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. Easy. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Marketplace isn't available issue on Facebook. First, keep in mind that newly created accounts may not have Marketplace access immediately. Facebook restrict access for a few weeks to protect the community from scams. Marketplace also may not be available in all regions, so check your location settings. If your account is older and you still can't access it, make sure your Facebook app is updated. Open the Play Store, search for Facebook, and tap Update if the option appears. Another common reason is that Facebook thinks you're under 18. To fix this, go to the menu, tap Settings and Privacy, then Settings, followed by Account Center. Scroll to Personal Details and make sure your birthday shows that you're 18 or older. Updating this should restore your marketplace access so you can start buying and selling again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.